FCC, the Jules Ward is back, so please clean up your cubby and hook areas. Green team members will be coming around to check your hook area. Please pick up coats, hats, mitts, and boots. Thank you. And also FCC, there's a green team meeting in second nutrition break in Miss Gardner's classroom. Here are the Thursday gotchas. First we have Lauren and Miss Sweeten's class for tidying up the literacy centers. Next we have Cameron in Miss Brown's class for doing yoga. Next we have Dania in Miss Corollis' class for helping to clean the classroom whiteboards. Next we have Ella in Miss Gardner's class for helping her group work together. And finally we have Realm in Miss Kaya's class for putting all her belongings away. Could those 5 students please come down to the office after announcements to collect their prize? Wizard of Oz rehearsal today after school is for everyone. Please be in the gym with your indoor shoes at the end of the day. There are popcorn and cookie sales today at second nutrition break. There are junior boys basketball tryout on Tuesday at 8:30. Those are all your announcements for today. Have a terrific Thursday.
Okay, so we know we're missing Ricardo and Camille. Already known. Is Resi and Emily here? No? Okay. Just missing 4 people. Okay, so good morning. What we're going to work on this morning, we're going to do our last rotation for this week, and then hopefully you'll be finished everything. So as I said, please make sure that you get in your last week's center work because there's still a few people that were missing that. We need to get that all in. If not, I'm going to be really looking for you for next week. I know there's a bunch of, if you don't have it from last week, there's a bunch underneath the binder you probably have to go through, but I just kind of put them all there because I think who knows what we need. We might need these, so because as I say, I put 1 for each person. So a few people went and got them already and have handed them in already, so that's awesome. What I want you to do today, I'm going to put on some music here. I want all of the focus on, I need you focused this morning. Yesterday, we had a lot of people that were just kind of up and about the whole day, just talking, and were not focused at all. And we can't have that because, like I said, it takes away my time, right? So you need to make sure that you're focused on what you're doing. You need to be making sure that you're finishing everything, putting it where it needs to be. There's a whole bunch of things that you have to do, okay, that I can't sit there and do for you. You know if something's inappropriate, it's something we don't need to be doing. As well, please don't be interrupting other people, right? I've talked to a few people about this, but there's a lot of people that have a lot of trouble focusing, and they're working so hard to focus, and you're bringing them down. Okay, so please make sure that you're working independently. You're making sure that you are finishing everything. If you see that someone else is struggling, you're not going up to them and saying, hey, what are we doing later, all that stuff, and distracting them even further, okay? So I really want to see you working independently. Those people that I spoke to individually will know what I really expect of them, okay? And I really want to see good work from people today, okay? Especially this afternoon, okay? I want to see at Science and Health, I want to see amazing work. I don't want to see it getting crazy, okay? Because I have to work with people, and I can't do that if you are all over the place. Okay, so I'm going to let you get into your groups, your centers, and I will put on some music for you. Okay, so off you go. Whatever you need. Okay? Okay.
Why do you have a video?
No reason. Yeah, unlikely is what? Not even what's like gonna happen right away? It's happening right away. It's. You okay? Why? Why you? Yeah, absolutely. Are you okay, Beth? You okay with the bandage or anything? There's some paper towels there if you want to wipe it off. But if you need a bandage, right next go downstairs. You can buy it. And there's like a fake snip one. So it looks like you're just that you make.
But there's more next to it.
Music for children. That's right. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's put these guys in. And did you I think it went right. I think so. That's what I thought. Because I was talking to your mom and we. That's what people thought. I didn't know.
Shut up. Do you follow what comes out? No. They look cool. The other ones just look like they ripped off a wire.
Good job. I'll send your mom a message. Let's go guys, okay? Now, okay, so let's all work in, okay? My ear is not the water. Okay, yeah. Spencer, what have you got done? Are you gonna work in the
Yeah, I need a book. Oh, that's
kind of fun. I think I like this. Email malady is so what did you say earlier? You used that word already. Okay, so what we're going to do, mobile. Yeah. So all the words you have to change it. That would be the right, so let's go through. Yes, for that, she had thought she needed the oven to the right temperature.
Okay.
Thought she had needed the oven to the right temperature. Not what you do before. So what would prefix would be before. So it's going to be heated still. It's not reheated, but so it's before. What do you do? What are we calling the trailers in the movies that are coming out? Coming soon. What would it be called? It would be called a movie that was coming out. A trailer or a.
That's even worse.
No, not like the
preview.
old stuff.
Right? Preview. Because because that's what so pre like pre means before. So like a preview, like get it preview, like you're not seeing the movie yet, you're just seeing like what it's about. Preview. That's it. So it's gonna be like she preheated the oven. Hello. Okay, so if you want to staple them together, we can just put them on top of my computer there. Okay? Yeah, I loved your biography yesterday.
When you walk to the jungle file.
Okay, so she could be honest. That one needs to change.
Genuinely, I fucking hate this. I was in this fucking battle, and I look up and I see a fucking sky base.
Okay, a couple more.
And I was kind of wondering, is that the main dude? But, it turns out, well, you guys will see what's happening.
It is, yes.
It's actually kind of funny what happened.
But she's not. So what he's causing is so how about this one?
I died from the storm. I did beat you, asshole. I survived longer than you, and you were survived for pretty long.
So you want to keep the base or you want to stay the same? You just want to change the so, honey, right? Oh, no. Two, right? She couldn't be honest with them. She had to tell the truth. That would be not honest, but how unhonest or better word for that? That's dishonest, right? Good job.
Just a lava mode?
No, I generally already saw it.
Good work, everyone.
Saw the lava mode LTM.
Huh?
Do you have, no, it's still on, I'm pretty sure. This is a different season.
Oh, it's a different season?
Yeah.
I remember when Anarchy Acres was there.
Mm-hmm.
I played with them.
Nice.
Even though Mallory is almost mobile since her body cast, she is trying to do everything for herself. What did you do if you do everything by yourself? I'm going to do it not dependent, but
What is so much
it is. The jungle. I know it's called music to calm concerts with. I guess that's trying to. So he does transport, right? One does do.
Keep straight face.
Sometimes there's
Keep straight face. Hey, kill it. Oh no. I can see where this is gonna go bad. Oh, I've seen this one.
Yeah, Shan's feeling.
Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Hope you guys have a really nice day, and I'll see you in the next